Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. Here are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Let's start. Start with easy level. Nobody can find the odd finger. Amazing, you find it within time. Can you find the odd number within time? This one is the right odd number. Genius can find the odd letter within time. Good job, this one is the odd letter. Find the odd number 27 within time. Good job, you find it within time. Anybody can find the odd apple within time. Amazing, you are a puzzle master. Focus master can find the odd emoji. Good job, this one is the odd emoji. Can you find a unique letter like BO? This one is difficult, but you find it. Identify the different emoji within time. Excellent, you find it within time. Can you solve this math quiz? 96 plus 25 minus 58. That one is the right answer. Focus master can find the odd emoji. Good job, you are a focus master. Easy level done, medium level start. Anybody can find the odd file within time. That's one, the odd emoji. Can you find the number 590 within time? Great job, you find it within given time. Find the odd letter SKY. Great job, this one is the odd letter. Genius can find the odd emoji. Yes, you are a genius like a computer. Impossible to find the odd number. This was impossible, but you find it. Anybody can find the odd emoji. Good job, this one is a different emoji. Are you focus master? Then find the odd emoji. That's one is the odd emoji. Can you solve this math quiz? 5 multiply 8 plus 12 minus 16 divide by 2. This option is the right option. Good job. Are you smart? Then find the odd number. Good job, you find it within time. Genius will pick the odd emoji. Really, you are a genius like Einstein. Anybody can find the odd emoji within time. That's one, the odd emoji. Can you beat the timer? Find the odd emoji. Yes, you beat the timer. Excellent. Can you spot the odd letter within time? Excellent, you spot the odd letter. Find the odd one emoji within time. That's one, the right one. One letter is different. Can you find it? This one is the different letter. Two exciting level done, hard level start. Only one person can find the odd emoji. Yes, this one is the odd emoji. Sharp eyes can find the odd number. Yes, you are smart. You find it. Brain test, find the odd camel emoji. This one is the odd emoji. Can you find the odd letter within given time frame? Challenge, can you find the odd one within time? %99 failed to find the odd emoji. Amazing! This one is the odd emoji. Sharp eyes can find the number 6342. Really, you have a sharp eyes. Challenge, can you find the odd letter within time? Brain exercise. Find the odd emoji. Test your brain IQ. Find the odd number. That one is the different number. Test your visual. Find the odd letter. The last one. Can you find the odd hand emoji? Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters and emoji, and subscribe the channel.